doing an unboxing video, and I'll be unboxing this thing, this bad boy, the football boots, and that's my sister right there. Stop!
Hello guys.
Look, there's a cyan colour there.
Hello guys.
Oh. There's the Nike thing, laces. There's like orangey red. They're Astro, firm ground, grass and hard ground. I've got that one. There's seats. I got it cost $24.99. Change £5, 1 pence. See you. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Make sure to subscribe to Hope Clean, Jacob's friend, and Jacob Sartorius. Make sure you get Musically and add me as somebody, whatever thingy, and and I'm called Thunder Friends. Make sure to subscribe, share, and peace out.